Every topic that's getting a perfect focus in today's world has so many sides. Crypto is one of the focus subjects of today. Tesla too. All this is based on finance, of course. And here around us, finance opinion matters. Investing is a word that has a lot of relevance right now. Before investing, good ideas also matter. So hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing Cathie Wood's of ARK's opinion on Tesla, crypto, China, and investing. Here, all these together are interesting for sure, so don't miss it. Watch till the end of the video for knowing more about how relevant is Cathie Wood's opinion. Before diving into our topic, if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, please go and hit that bell icon. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification to stay updated on such exciting factors. Come on, let's check out what's waiting for you. Who is Cathie Wood? Cathie Wood is regarded as one of the top stock pickers and original thinkers in the world. She founded ARK Investment Management LLC and Worldwide Asset Management specialized in disruptive innovation thematic investment. She initially appeared on Real Vision in March 2018 when she discovered the genomics revolution and has since returned to 9 times. Wood founded ARK in 2014 after working at other investment firms and hoped to bundle active stock portfolios in an EFT style. Over the last 5 years, her flagship $23 billion assets ARK Innovation Fund has returned roughly 45% yearly on average. Wood studied economics at the University of Southern California under Art Laffer, the creator of the Laffer curve, which theories the relationship between tax rates and tax revenue. Wood is one of Elon Musk's most ardent supporters. She believes the electric car firm will be valued at over $3 trillion in the future. Cathie examines the market through 5 important innovation platforms: artificial intelligence, energy storage, robots, DNA sequencing, and blockchain, rather than sector by sector. According to Bloomberg data, ARK has outperformed the S&P 500 by over 2.4 times and the Nasdaq by 1.7 times since its inception. She didn't reach here by planning for it. Everything was a miracle. She's well known for a lot of things, a woman who you can look up to. Cathie is noted to focus on disruptive technologies and has the best performing ETF among 584 global equity funds with at least $1 billion in assets. When Tesla's stock was trading at $300 in 2018, Cathie predicted it would rise to $4,000, and she believes the electric car firm could one day be valued at over $1 trillion. Cathie has been acknowledged as a powerful fund manager by several publications. Bloomberg editors include her in its second annual Bloomberg 50 list of those who have defined global business in business, entertainment, finance, politics, technology, and science in 2018. Cathie was also nominated to Fortune's exclusive roundtable of experts in the annual Fortune Investors Guide, the best investing advice from Fortune's experts for 2019. Here, all these led us onto her insights on the famous giants. Cathie Wood shared some insights into her investing techniques, including recent swings with Tesla and Chinese equities, as well as her predictions for the next oversized item to rock up the markets. Cathie Wood on Tesla. ARK Innovation's largest holding is Tesla, followed by Coinbase, Teladoc, Unity Software, Roku, and Zoom Video. In 2021, Woods' highest consolidated amid a shift from growth to value. She continues to invest in words that have been knocked down. The most appreciable thing she focuses on Tesla is their battery technology. She has shared about it in some interviews also. The main thing she shared about it was the cost reduction. Wood is well known for her optimistic attitude toward Tesla shares, which she has maintained from the company's inception. stocks she owns. Wood said she's targeting extremely low margin enterprises because margin is clearly not respected by the government anymore, referring to Beijing's shared prosperity push toward reign and outsized wealth and earnings. Cathie Wood on crypto. When it comes to crypto, she's always a fan of Bitcoin. Countries are increasingly pronouncing Bitcoin ledger tender. She said if she could only possess one cryptocurrency, she would choose Bitcoin. Wood also highlighted the potential of Ether, which has risen 350% this year, and recommended a 60-40 Bitcoin to Ether crypto portfolio. In an interview with CNBC anchor Andrew Ross Sorkin at the SALT conference on Monday, the star stock picker predicted that Bitcoin will reach $500,000 in 5 years and that the firm's belief in Ether had greatly strengthened. Her forecast is contingent on firms continuing to diversify their portfolio sheets into Bitcoin, the most valuable cryptocurrency by market capitalization, and institutional investors allocating 5% of their funds to it. Wood also stated that the central bank distributed currency being developed by countries like China and the United States are optimistic for Bitcoin and other crypto coins. They will aid legal cryptocurrencies by bringing the concept under government scrutiny and promoting the benefits of cryptocurrencies in general. Among them is that, unlike the digital yuan that China is launching, digital currencies like Bitcoin are pseudonymous and cannot be traced back to the user. The ARK CEO also mentioned the growing institutional interest in Bitcoin, claiming that if institutions invested 5% of their capital in Bitcoin, as they have in other asset classes such as real estate or emerging markets, the price would rise to $400,000 or $500,000. Investing. ARK Invest is privately testing a fund that takes the idea a step further by concurrently betting against large stocks in the benchmarks that are being disrupted, according to Cathie Wood, who is famed for innovative ETFs that drew billions in inflows during the epidemic. The so-called value traps in the major averages have long been a source of concern for Wood. These businesses, according to her, cater to short-term investors by stretching their balance sheets to pay dividends and buy back stock. As a result, many companies did not devote adequate resources to innovation. With Wood's flagship fund, the ARK Innovation ETF, down roughly 15% in 2021, and the S&P 500 up 25%, this new strategy might suffer significant losses. Wood recognized that the new method could be somewhat volatile, but she believes it'll be a tremendous win over the next 5 years as her innovative firms grow and the older bellwethers die away. That's all for today. Would you please let us know your thoughts regarding all these through comments?